Cooking shows have been a TV genre people have enjoyed watching at from a distance, even if they weren't cooking along with them. Cooking shows have been a popular daytime TV category for decades. And of course, there are a variety of cooking shows such as domestic home cooking, travel cooking, competitive cooking, and so on. However, one of the first was domestic home cooking shows, and this video will focus on why so many viewers tune in to watch everyday people or celebrities cook their favorite dishes. Why do we love to watch them so much? There are many techniques that accentuate this TV category from others. YouTube and the content created through it are produced by many independent people, so people can choose to post whatever they would like. And many people choose to do cooking. I mean, it is an essential process in human life. I believe that the art of cooking programs on YouTube have adapted many similar techniques from its TV format, but have just been repurposed in new ways to suit the demand of our internet generation. This video will analyze two aspects, which I believe is what audiences tune in for the most. The first aspect is the use of informal direct address. Firstly, by using informal language, the barriers of intimidation are broken between the viewer and the host.
Today we're making some delicious recipes, all of which are under €2.
The value of cooking shows come from making the viewer feel as if they're in the home with the chef.
Welcome back to my kitchen.
So the hosts try their best to create a tranquil environment for the viewer to relax in while cooking, as their demeanor is very exciting and they often incorporate stories within their dialogues. Additionally, this sense of trust between the viewer and the host is heightened through constant addressing of the audience. By addressing the viewer in second person, like with terms such as you, it creates a personal conversational relationship.
No joke, we not playing. Like if you have fudge right now, you could send it to us.
You choose one.
I want to share my love of pizza with all of you.
Through collective pronouns such as we, viewers are made to feel a sense of inclusion, as if they are completing the cooking show as a group project.
Here's what we have to do. We got the meat to take care of, we have the onions to take care of, and we have the sauce to take care of.
Today we're making penne alla vodka.
Which delicious meals we can make while keeping our eyes on the price.
Although this method originated from a TV platform to a mass audience, it makes greater sense they use it in YouTube platforms, as there is such a diverse set of audiences, the conversational relationship can feel more personal. Now, the other half of the spectrum that defines cooking shows is their use of cinematography. Mainly the two shots that are incorporated are the close-up of food and the medium shot of the host. Usually in the introductions of cooking shows, the chef is depicted at a comfortable distance from the camera. Usually the medium shot incites a sense of inclusion between the viewer and host, which is usually heightened by the eye contact. Most of the time, these shots are intercut with close-up shots, particularly of the final product, to provide a shot of what the expected outcome should look like. They also provide close-up shots during the process of cooking. However, there's more to it than that. The close-up provides an attention to detail that cooks would rather display than describe. But most importantly, these shots also provide gastro-porn for many enthusiasts. So when these close-ups work in rotation with the medium shot, the viewer is pulled back and forth between focused and relaxed viewing. As shown, many cooking shows on YouTube incorporate the traditional domestic home cooking show formats. They share many similarities, even including audience participation.
I can think of no greater motivation in the world to get you guys into your kitchen than macaroni and cheese.
Traditionally on TV, callers were logged onto the show and hosts would ask to send mail as feedback. On YouTube, this can be done by commenting or answering polls, which can create a greater opportunity to be involved.
Let me know what you think. If you try this dish and you served it to your family, I would love to see in the comments what they thought about it.
Many content creators have their own method of adapting these techniques. Recently, this has given birth to a new style of cooking show concepts, mainly ones that include no audience interaction or dialogue, and focus is solely placed on the close-ups of food. One popular example are tasty videos, which detail the steps of cooking through instructional text and a bird's eye view camera angle. Perhaps due to the variety and consistency of uploads, content creators have tried to speed up the cooking process and condense them to shorter video clips. Nonetheless, although there are many new variations of these cinematographic and dialogistic features, they all share the same roots: which stem from the traditional daytime TV cooking shows.